How to add product in Clickfunnels easily in 2023. Adding products in Clickfunnels marks the start of your journey towards Clickfunnels. And here, I'll make it easier for you. This is how to do it. So first, you have to open your Clickfunnels account. And once you're here, you want to go to products. And after clicking that one, you want to create product. This is a digital product, so I'm just going to type here something, and please take note that this actually does not exist. I'm just typing this one for the sake of example. So mastering the art of losing weight with a minimal exercise. Okay, so now I've added the product name and the description, and the next thing that I want to do is click create a product. Okay, this time. So it can be a one-time payment, subscription payment, or a payment plan. So you can try to choose which one sounds better for you. So say for example, in my case, I'm going to choose one time. So this is a one-time purchase. I'm just going to say, for example, like $10. All right, and then create price. Okay, now that you're here, you can basically add things here. So for example, the image, you can select an image. I'm just going to choose the image that we have here already. So this is just an example, so that's why I'm adding that particular image. Okay, there you go. Next thing that we're going to do is the inventory and shipping. So you will have to type here your SKU. And then for the purchase actions, you can either choose a digital asset access or course access. So say for example, a digital asset access, I'm going to click this one. All right, and then I'm going to click new digital asset. So here, this is where you're going to upload it. So say for example, in my case, I'm just going to type the same thing earlier. The art of losing weight for office workers. Yeah, just say something like that. Again, this does not exist. This is just an example. And then you can upload a file. After uploading the file, you can create a file. All right, so there you go. So I already have it there. And I'm going to close this one. So click and then save. Okay. So now it is already saved, so I already have it here. And then you can also have the variance SEO sharing. So this one is this is for search engine. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is this one, sales channel visibility. So I'm going to just click this one, and you can also put the tags in here. After that one, you'll be able to update a product. So if I'm going to go back and try to see the products. Okay, so we have it here already. So mastering the art of losing weight with minimal exercise. So as you can see, it's visible for an online store and customer center. And yeah, that's how you're going to add products in Clickfunnels easily in 2023. Once again, if you are interested in trying Clickfunnels, I suggest you hit that link in the description box below to get yourself 2 weeks worth of free trial. And as always, please subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.